Hi, it's Veronica, and today I'm here to talk about Maldon, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, smoked sea salt. And I use this, I love to make collard greens, and I also love to make cabbage. And I'm sure you can use it in anything that you need to have a smoky flavor. But sometimes I don't like to cook with meat, so I choose to use this smoked salt, and it is wonderful. I keep this on top because well, I'll explain that in a bit. But this is what it looks like, and it has a really great, like a hickory scent to it. And when I add it to foods, it makes it taste really good, as if I had added some smoked meat to it. But sometimes even when I do use smoked meat in my greens, or sometimes I use this in green beans as well, fresh green beans, it still gives it a really wonderful taste. I like that it comes in this nice large size. I don't run out of it often, and it's here and handy when I need it. But this is really a great salt. If you're a person that loves smoky flavors, if you like to cook, yeah, give it a try. Only thing like I would like to say that I don't care for is the packaging. And this is not new, but I keep this tape on there because I don't like the way this lid easily comes off, because I've had a lid come off and just spill all over my pantry, and I was not pleased. So just be mindful of that. It is a great purchase. It's like I said, if you're a lover of all things culinary, this is the salt for you.